Hello and welcome back to Scale Me Down. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. And in this episode we're going to assemble and review this newly released electric ducted fan Hawk from Arrows Hobby. Now you might think it's unusual to start with the build and assembly out here at the field. It is very quick and easy, but we're just going to decamp back to the dining room table. There's only 3 bits to assemble, and it starts by gluing the tail into position. Here with epoxy, as I don't have any foam safe CA. We poke these wires through and screw on the wing. We plug in the receiver, connect the elevators, check and adjust the control throws, mark and check the centre of gravity, and then we're all done. It was really as quick as that. It is very simple and there's only 3 parts. Now I've checked the centre of gravity and I've conducted a range check, so let's see how she flies. A hand launch into wind using the moulded finger grips proved no drama. There's loads of power on hand for fast passes and aerobatics on 3 cells. It's an aileron and elevator model, and I don't miss the rudder. Despite the boxes saying so, the UK models do not come with a gyro. Not that I think it needs one. The stall is an absolute non-event. I reduced the aileron throw and added 20% exponential for personal taste. For durability, there's plastic skids under the nose, fuselage and wing, and belly landing is a doddle. After a 3-minute and 40-second flight, there was 30% remaining in the battery. In conclusion then, what a brilliant little aeroplane. It's very quick and simple to put together, it's easy to fly, you could almost class it as a park flyer. It's a little pocket rocket. And we've had great success on these 3-cell 40C 1500 mAh LiPo batteries. It supposedly is also capable of 4-cell packs, but I don't think it's necessary. It's been great fun, and I think we're going to need some more battery packs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to support our channel. We'll see you next time.